Hi, this is Fanshawn here. Here to tell you about Affiliate Mentor if you're a beginner. Just want to give you the 411 on the Affiliate Mentor program. Affiliate Mentor will solve all of your traffic, leads, and sales needs. Affiliate Mentor is an all-in-one system for only $50. It's a done-for-you system. All the capture pages and emails are done for you. Affiliate Mentor is owned by Greg Chambers, who also owns Traffic Authority. Affiliate Mentor is integrated with Traffic Authority. Traffic Authority is one of the best traffic sources existing today. Affiliate Mentor offers community, a Facebook group with support, leadership, daily motivation, training, and affiliate contests, fun affiliate contests. You can make money with Affiliate Mentor without having to get sales with Click Cash. That means when someone clicks on your link in your emails, you get paid from the links, your links that they click in your emails. You also get training on how to market any of your businesses, attraction marketing, which is which you get integrated, get response to build your own email list while you market Affiliate Mentor. You get Traffic Authority for free for 1 year. Also, if you are at sign up at the VIP level, you get Traffic Authority clicks for 50% off, and you get fast and easy customer support with a built-in tracking system where you can track where where someone clicks on your links from. So if you put a link somewhere, you can see where someone clicked your link on from. So Affiliate Mentor is an awesome program, and you're gonna have a mentor helping you walk you through the whole program. Like if you get confused or you don't understand something, you have a mentor there to help you whenever you need to. And like I said, there's a Facebook group where you can get a lot of support as well. So if you want to sign up for Affiliate Mentor, the link will be in my description. So just click on that and see you there.